Hi everyone, welcome to another video. This video is about retouching. Yeah, I will take you through my retouching workflow using a plugin that I use. The plugin name is Retouch4me. Retouch4me have different plugins that were made for retouching purpose. Yeah, and they work with Photoshop as plugins. I'll take you through my best Retouch4me plugins and how I use it to work on my portraits for normal birthday shoot or studio shoot, and also how I use it to retouch my wedding portraits. So let's go. Let me walk you through my editing workflow. The first thing I do is I go to Capture One. I use Lightroom and Capture One, but for this demonstration, I will use Capture One. I already have enough style saved up over here, and I just look for the one that I want and click on it and I'm good. So right now I'll go with Studio Fuji 001 New. Click on it and I'm good. I might go ahead and do some mini adjustments, but this video is for retouching. Let's go back to Photoshop. In Photoshop, one of the first thing I do is I go to Filter, I go to Retouch4me, I go to Heal. Let's see how well it can heal the skin. This is a close-up picture, so I will choose close-up portrait. Let's zoom in. Yes, as you can see, this is the before after. Retouch4me Heal did a good job. Make sure you always choose with close-up, full length. Just choose, or you go to also. For me, I try to choose and make sure that the AI plugin can give me what I really want. Another thing you can do is you can come to the background layer, Command J or Control J. I'm on the Mac, so forgive me. Command J. Create a new layer here, and you go to Filter again. You go to Retouch4me. You go to Dodge and Burn. I would pick close up and just zoom in, minus plus. I'll take the blend to 150. And I'll make sure this is on soft light. The reason means that with this soft light layer, I can enhance it the way that I want or reduce the effect it has on the image. Click on this, click on apply. And this is my soft layer. I come here, my layer blend mode, and I go to soft light. Let's zoom in. This is before, after, before, after. So I will copy merge it, Command Option Shift E. That's, I'm creating a new layer. I'll come over here to Filter again, Retouch4me. I will go to Portrait Volumes. So Portrait Volumes is the global dodge and burn. Yeah, and it will give you the contour and highlighting. So here I'm going to pick on close-up tool, and the blend mode, I leave it on 10. Let's see before and after. Wow, can you see that? So let me click on the soft light layer, click on it, apply, and this is it. Can you see that? This is it. Come over here, go to soft light. Now if it's too much, I can actually reduce it with this opacity over here. Soft light layer, it gives you more leverage to like enhance it the way you want to, and this is good. Can you see that? Wow. Cool. This is the before, this is after, before, after. And if you want like more retouching, you can go ahead and put in more work, but for me, some clients might also want it to look so natural, and this is fair enough. You don't have to do any other thing, just do little adjustments, font color grade, and you're good. Now this is how Retouch4me plugin affects your picture. Like, it helps you move from 0 to 50, sometimes even 85% of the work is done. You just go ahead and save it and you are good. Now let me show you how it works with wedding portraits. Now this is a bridal portrait I did, I'm going to show you how I will apply it. The first thing I will do for weather portrait is I would create a new layer, Command J. The next thing I'll do is that I will apply the healing plugin from Retouch4me. Come to filter, Retouch4me, go to heal. Now this is like a mid-range. You can see half length portrait. Click on it and I'll click on apply. This is the before, after. Now look at her skin. This is before, after, and I am good. Next thing is I'll put on that new layer, copy image it also. The reason I'm creating new layers is because I might want to go back and do some adjustments. It's just me, I prefer to play safe. Come over here, go to filter, Retouch4me, go to dodge and burn, and click on it, half length portrait. Yeah, 150, blend 150, soft light check, apply. This is it. Come here, go to soft lights, zoom in, before, after. Now, can you see that? Can you see that? I'll go ahead, new layer, Retouch4me, portrait volumes, half length, yeah, 100, apply. Come over here, soft light, apply. Look at this. Can you see this? This is amazing. Just look at how well I'm able to get this before, after. Look at the skin. Makeup artist for this bridal portrait did an amazing job. So you can see Retouch4me took the picture from 0 to 90% of it, and this is good. Like, I'm done. Look at this, before, after. Can you see that? Yeah, before, after. Take a zoom. This is close-up shot. This is the before, after, before, after. Look under the chin, look at the nose, look at the contours it's bringing out. This is before, after. Wow. Retouch4me is a little bit pricey. It is, but it is good, yes. So they have a new one coming out. It's called Retouch4me Face Make. I'll look at that one later, but I've used Retouch4me Heal, Retouch4me Dodge and Burn, and the Retouch4me Portrait Volumes. Now, this might set you back some amount of money. This is not cheap. Only Portrait Volumes goes for $124, $124. Dodge and Burn goes for $149, and Heal goes for $124. If you run limited amount of portraits in a year, I can advise you to go for Retouch4me panel. Now, this Photoshop panel has all plugins by Retouch4me, and the good thing is that you pay per picture. This is the rate over here. As you can see, you can pay as low as $20 per month for 200 retouch, and you can do pay as you go. You can pay as low as 16 cents per picture. So it's fair enough. You can see over here we have 14 retouches remaining. The bad thing is, if you play all this or you play just one, it would count as one retouch. So what I advise you to do is play everything at once, and you start to turn off the one you don't like and the one you like. Let me show you a quick example of how it is done. Come over here, put this on, put this on, put this on, put everything on. Okay, well, she doesn't have teeth, so let's take this off. Yeah, and we're going to click on retouch. Watch. I agree. It's enhancing over here. You can see it. enhancing active. So let's wait. The bad thing about it is if you do not have good internet, an issue. But for the plugin, you are good even without internet. With this, you need good internet. So it is done now. Let's take this off. Let's remove this. We don't need this. I balance. Let's leave it. We can remove it if you don't want to. This, you can keep it. Fabrics, no, is going off. Background going off. Yeah. As you can see, we have heal, dodge and burn, and portrait volume. It's the same thing. Before, after, before, after. Can you see that? You can also adjust the blend mode here to 100 or 150 before applying it. Just adjust. You can off all this one. And look at this. I have 13 retouches left. It's just the same thing. If you have limited portraits you work with every year, you might just want to go with this pay as you go and you are good. Yeah, Retouch4me is nice. So that's it, guys. Stay safe and keep creating.